Hello there, welcome to our channel once again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your AOL account from the home page of AOL itself. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your AOL account or your AOL mail account from the home page of AOL, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in AOL.com like this and hit enter. And after that, when you land on this home page, you can see the mail option available at the left side of your AOL interface. Click on mail, and after that another page will open where you will be required to enter your username, email address or your phone number which you had registered on AOL at the time of creating your account, and click on next, and then you'll be required to enter your password, and after that click on sign in to log into your AOL account. Or if you have forgotten your username, simply click on forgotten username to go through a procedure to retrieve your username. Or if you have not yet created an account on AOL, you can see the create an account option available over here. Click on create an account to go through a procedure to create an account on AOL. And there guys, this is how you log into your AOL mail account from the home page. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.